Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill, and today we're tackling how to move TRX from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your portfolio better, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with TRX in it, a Kraken account ready to receive funds, and two-factor authentication enabled on both for security. Oh, and keep an eye on network fees. TRX uses the Tron network, so costs can vary. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to your dashboard and find your TRX wallet. It's usually under the Crypto section. Once you're there, select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll need to enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid mistakes. Next, get your Kraken deposit address ready. Log into Kraken, go to the funding section and select TRX. Copy the wallet address provided. It's super important that you use this exact address to prevent any loss of funds. Back on Uphold, paste that address into the recipient field and choose the Tron network for the transfer. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the amount, the address, and any fees. Once you're good, go ahead and initiate the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours for the TRX to show up on Kraken, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases. If you run into issues, both Uphold and Kraken have support teams to help. There you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, but stay vigilant with your crypto. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.